This is what happens if an atomic bomb were to hit London. If a 20-kiloton bomb hits London, all matter within about 202 meters would literally vaporize. Everything would be leveled in a giant fireball. The massive pressure wave would cause serious damage to buildings in a further radius of about 760 meters. People would die from the heat or the blast alone. Within a wider radius of approximately 900 feet, people would receive a lethal dose of radiation. About 15% of the survivors would ultimately die of cancer after some time. Within a radius of approximately 8,000 feet, people would suffer third-degree burns, which could result in severe scarring, disability, or amputation. Within 24 hours, about 63,000 people would die as a result of the atomic bomb, and about 155,000 people would be injured. However, the consequences would not only be limited to these direct effects, the fallout would also be extremely devastating. Radioactive material would cover an area of approximately 150 square kilometers inhabited by approximately 318,000 people. Approximately 120,000 deaths would be expected as a direct result of the fallout, plus another 50,000 subsequent cancer deaths. And that's not all. The use of an atomic bomb would have devastating effects on the surrounding area and the Earth as a whole for decades. The environmental impact would be significant. Local wildlife would be significantly damaged or wiped out. Ecosystems could collapse and natural resources would be severely affected. A nuclear bomb blast would release an enormous amount of dust, smoke, and soot into the atmosphere. This could lead to global cooling, similar to the effects of a volcanic eruption. The effects on the climate could last for several years and affect agricultural production. A nuclear explosion would affect the entire environment and all life on Earth for decades.